Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is Zuko Vlogs. So for today, we're gonna do unboxing of this huge box here at the back. Okay, we have here TCL. It's an Android TV. Okay, it's 4K UHD Android TV. Go check it out. This is a TCL Smart Android TV. It has an IPQ engine technology or automatic calibration of the color, including micro dimming. Then it has Google Assistant. And of course, it's 4K ultra high definition 50-inch TV by TCL. It has Google Play, Netflix, of course, Amazon's Prime Video, TCL channel, Bluetooth, and other Android TV features. For the voltage, it says here 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Weight net is 9.5 kilograms and the gross weight is 14.62 kilograms. This TV is amazing because it's very easy to assemble. You just have to screw the stand and then place it on top of a table. So that's very easy. And by the way, at the back of the TV we have other features of the TV, which are ports. The first port that we have at the back of the TV is the USB port. Then we have the Ethernet or Internet port, and we have 3 HDMI ports. You can choose whether it's HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI 3 port. Depends on you on where you connect the HDMI cable. We also have here a coaxial cable for the TV port, and then the yellow port is for the RCA female jack. That is for the audio video. And then we have a small port there, a black port that is for headset. So here's the RCA female jack. Then we have here the warranty certificate. The warranty is 2 years, including parts and services. Of course, here's the user guide. And we have here the operation manual on how to set up the TV. Then we have here the remote. The style is very sleek and it's very lightweight. As you can see on the remote, there is a Netflix and Chi button at the bottom. And then when you open it, you have to just slide down to remove the batteries. That is AAA batteries. And then you just have to put it back. You just have to slide up. So we're good to go, but make sure to have an AVR to protect the TV from electrical glitches. So we need to test now. Here's without speaker. Then I connected my speaker to create a more bass sound, but the sound system is already Dolby Atmos. So we have freebies. We have Orofan electric fan when you purchase it. It's a cute little electric fan. Then it also includes a small bundle of groceries. Brought to you by Will and Songs and TCL. And by the way, the price is on sale of the TV, including those freebies. Hi, welcome back. So we're done with the unboxing of this beautiful TV here, TCL UHD 4K. Okay, it's a 50-inch TV. So thank you again for watching my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Zuko Vlogs. Thank you. See you. Bye.